Hello guys, welcome back. It's your girl Ethiel, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit on that subscription button and put on your notification bell so that whenever I post, you get notified. And yes, today we are making one of my favorite meal, so let's get right into it. Back to our ingredients, we have this. We call this Matoke here in Kenya. You can drop a comment down below and let me know how do you call this, where you come from. Then we have finely chopped spinach, pre-boiled meat, turmeric, garlic and ginger paste, Royco cubes, garlic powder and cumin powder, onion, tomatoes, tomato paste. Let's start by peeling our bananas. I will apply some oil here. When washing my bananas, I always add some salt to remove the stickiness of the bananas. I will add some water here. Add salt, turmeric, some Royco cubes, cover, and we set it on fire to boil. As our bananas are boiling on that end, here I will be preparing our stew. Add oil, add onion, go in with ginger and garlic, tomatoes. Salt. Cover and let it cook till our tomatoes are ready. On this end, our bananas are doing well. You can see they've started boiling, so let's wait for them to be tender. We will go in with our tomato paste. You can see our bananas here are sucking all the flavors of our spices. They are looking really nice. Here now we will go with our meat broth. Time to go in with our spinach. I can tell it's smelling really nice. So I will add this here. Give it a quick stir. We'll cover and let our spinach to cook. Let's run our fork, and you can see we will remove our matoke and drain the excess water. Here they are. Our food is super ready. It's time to serve. And yay, our food is ready. Looks super yummy. Enjoy. You can serve it with some tea or just eat the way it is. Let's meet on the next video.